In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Dropbox folder with others. To get started, open the Dropbox website in your browser or launch the Dropbox app on your mobile device or desktop. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. This is where all your stored files and folders are managed, so make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving on. After that, go to your Files section and find the folder you want to share. Take a moment here to double check that it's the right folder, especially if you have several folders with similar names. On a computer, you can right-click the folder. If you're using a mobile device, tap the three-dot menu next to the folder to open more options. This menu is where Dropbox keeps most of the sharing and folder management tools. Next, click or tap Share. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you'll choose how you want to give access to the folder. Dropbox makes this pretty flexible, depending on whether you want to share directly with specific people or just send out a link. If you want to invite specific people, enter their email address in the provided field. Before sending the invitation, choose the permission level. If you select Can Edit, that person will be able to add, delete, or change files inside the folder. If you select Can View, they'll only be able to open and look at the contents without making changes. Once you've chosen the right access level, click Share to send the invitation. If you'd rather share the folder using a link, look for the option that says Create Link. After the link is generated, click Copy Link. You can then paste that link into a message and send it through whatever method works best for you, such as email, messaging apps, or another communication platform. This is a quick and easy option when you need to share with multiple people. One important final step is managing permissions. To do that, go back to the folder, click it again, and open Share. Then click Settings or Access, depending on the version of Dropbox you're using. From there, you can remove users, change someone's access from editing to view only, or disable link sharing completely. This is especially useful if you want to stay in control of who can access your folder over time. And that's how to share a Dropbox folder with others. Once you know where these options are, the process becomes fast and very easy to manage.